It's time for phase 3 of this makeover. KIDchen Takeover!
What are you doing?
We're gonna replace all of these.
All the cabinets?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You want to know what you guys are doing?
We're replacing the hardware.
Yes. All right. Do you need any instructions, or do you know how to do this?
Wait, so mommy, do we have to like take these off?
You don't have to take that off. You just have to take the knobs off. So what you're holding right now, that's what you're going to take off.
Look at this. But
Yes.
how? I can't take it off.
You can. It's like a puzzle. You have to figure out how to get it off.
But it doesn't even open.
I know. So how can you access it? There you go. You might have to pull some stuff out to find it.
My God. Well, you just got stuff closer to me that I have to take out. I can't reach it, Mommy.
Need some help with that
Oh,
one?
wait. Now I can.
Okay.
Look how this thing is long.
It is really long, isn't it?
I got a screw up. Yes, loose.
What's wrong?
I just figured out that these screws aren't the same size as these screws.
Uh-oh, what's that mean?
It means that these don't go all the way through.
Oh, is that what came with the new hardware?
Mm-hmm.
Well, what are you gonna do?
But now I have this
Where'd you get those?
from my mom.
Is that what was on there before?
Yes.
Okay.
And look what happens.
Oh,
Does go all the way through.
is that a problem?
Nope.
Problem solved. What?
Why is there 2 screws?
Why do you think there's 2 screws in there?
I don't know.
Take a guess.
It's supposed to just go through that.
Yeah.
There's no screw, but it's still stuck. It is
Pull it off. Come on, Muscles.
Maybe it's stuck. Why do you think it's stuck on there like that? I have no idea. You think it's because it's clean? It's not. Oh my gosh. Come on, Paul. Oh gosh. Maybe you need some extra help? Oh gosh. Yes, please. Can I clean now? Let's see. Here, you hold the door, or push the door. Try and pull. Oh, there we go. I got it. Oh, it was like stuck on there. Definitely need to clean that now. Yeah. Mommy, now what should I do?
Ready? 3.
We're done!
All right, what was the hardest thing about what you did?
Going up there and doing the cabinets.
Going up there? What was the hardest thing?
When the places where the screws are going get clogged.
Yeah, they wouldn't go all the way through.
My hardest part was when I was trying to put this drill pole in
Oh, yes.
and I had to let go. Ooh.
Yeah, it was hard to get under there. All right, what was your favorite part?
Like baby shark abs. Taking off all the stuff.
Okay.
My favorite part was that it's easy to take off and put on the handles.
Yeah, you were flying through it, weren't you?
Mm-hmm.
What was your favorite part?
I like seeing all of the new knobs. It's much nicer than it was before.
Yeah, it looks really nice. You guys did a great job. I think phase 3, big check. Do you guys know how much it cost?
$51.
$51.
What do you think?
68 cents.
Do you think a good use of $50?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, would you do it again?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, great job everybody. On to phase 4.
Whoa!
Hope you liked our video.
Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel below. And Takeover. No, it's KIDchen Takeover.